This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to walk through the Edabit Python challenge Nth Even Number. And in this challenge they want you to create a function that takes a number n and returns the nth even number. So if you put in a 1, it'll return the first even number, which is 0, or if you put in 100, it would return the 100th even number, which is 198. And so I kind of browsed through the resources at first, and I kind of got the impression from the resources they gave that maybe one way I could solve this is to create a list of even numbers and then use indices to call on that number. And then I was like, that seems very complicated. Could there not be a mathematical way to solve this? And so I kind of played around a little bit with the arithmetic of it, and I was like, the first even number is 0, the second even number is 2, the third even number is 4. And I was thinking, well, if we didn't include the 0, all we would have to do is basically times the number by 2, because if the first even number had been 2, it would just be 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. But everything is shifted down a little bit because of 0. So I was thinking, well, if I do 2 times n, but I subtract the 2 because of that first number, I should get the right answer. So I played around with it. So if I did 2 times the fifth number minus 2, so 2 times 5 is 10, minus 2, that equals 8. If I did this example with the 100th even number, so 2 times 100 minus 2, that's 200 minus 2 is 198. So it's basically just shifting everything down 2. And when I typed in that code, so they give us the definition for the function, they give us the setup and the syntax. It's called nth even is the name, and the argument that it's taking is n. So I want to return 2 times n minus 2, and that should get me the correct even number that I'm trying to access on this even numbers list. So let's check that and see if that works. And it does. All the tests pass. And so that is how I solved the nth even number problem.